Seasoned to the bone. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm cooking some dinner. I'm making some brown stew chicken with pumpkin flavored dumplings. You don't want to miss this one. Keep watching. So guys, I'm cooking the pumpkin. So I'm gonna cook it and blend it, just puree it out. The chicken, it's all cleaned up and cut up. I'm gonna add on some seasoning, the different seasoning. I have some yam, sweet potato, and green bananas. I'm going to be boiling these. So it's gonna be brown stew chicken with ground provisions and the pumpkin flavored dumpling, guys. So keep watching. Adding some all-purpose seasoning, crushed red pepper. I like crushed red pepper. Miss Dash. Some Old Bay seasoning. Garlic powder. Peppercorn, black pepper, corn, freshly ground pepper, and some soy sauce. This is fish and meat sauce, but it's finishing. I like using it. It's Grace fish and meat sauce. I'm gonna add in some browning. I'm adding a little now, and then while cooking, if I wanted to want to add some more, I'll add some more. I'm just gonna add these in. And then I'm gonna add in some freshly cut seasoning. Okay guys, I'm gonna let this marinate for a few minutes while I get the food ready to put in the pot. And I'm peeling some banana. I'm just peeling all the banana, all the food, get everything ready to put in the pot. Sometimes I cook my banana in the skin, but okay guys, I'm gonna get the brown stew ready. So I'm gonna get the pan heated up. Okay guys, the pan is hot. When I'm cooking brown stew chicken, I do not use any oil. I just let the pan get really hot. And the chicken has skin on it, so that's oil already. So I just put it in the pan. I just put everything in the pan once it's hot. Sometimes I mix the seasoning in when I'm seasoning, but I add everything in. Bell pepper, scallion, garlic, onion. And I just cover and let it make its own little water before I rinse the pan out and put it. So keep watching, guys. We're gonna put it on low and just cover it down. Let it steam. To make my pumpkin dumpling, I'm using 2 cups of flour, all-purpose flour. And you can sieve your flour if you want, but normally when I'm making dumplings I don't sieve my flour. And I'm just using this look like maybe 1/4 cup pumpkin. I didn't measure it, and it's cooked soft, so I didn't blend it, I just crush it out. I'm gonna add in salt to taste. So guys, this is a pumpkin dumpling, and this is cornmeal dumpling, and I have the food, the ground provisions, yam, banana, white yam, banana, and sweet potato ready. And the pot is heating up, so I'm gonna start adding the stuff. Okay guys, I'm adding in some pumpkin dumpling. And I'm also putting in some regular cornmeal dumpling. This is the regular cornmeal dumpling. And I'm adding the yam and sweet potato. You guys, I added in some Irish and carrot. I'm just gonna let everything cook. Adding some butter, guys. I'm adding in some butter and I'm adding in some breadcrumbs to help thick up the gravy. Just a little breadcrumbs. Chicken is ready. Nice brown stew chicken, tastes very good. And this is done. We have the regular dumpling and the pumpkin dumpling. Okay guys, I'm having some boiled banana with my pumpkin dumpling and a piece of pumpkin on the side for dinner. So let's do a taste test. Let's try it out, guys. Okay guys, I'm gonna try out this pumpkin dumpling. With some brown stew chicken. It tastes good. Just the texture is a little soft, but so next time I'm making it, I'm just gonna make it tastes good. Tastes good with the gravy. Brown stew chicken tastes good too. Seasoned to the bone. Good. I'm drinking some cranberry juice, guys. So thank you for watching. I'll definitely see you in the next video. Remember to like the video and share the video. And it's always a vibe on Weekend 5 with Shonette. Bye. Afrobeat,